Today, we're going to transform your basic Photoshop skills into a creative powerhouse. First, let's cover the essential tools. Start by opening a photo in Photoshop. Familiarize yourself with the interface, the toolbar on the left, which is home to the marquee, lasso, and crop tool. We're going to start by using selection tools. Understanding how to make selections is vital. Select the subject matter using the quick selection tool, which lets you trace around an object, and it's great for quick work. You can adjust the size of the brush to get more precise. Now let's look at cropping. To crop, select the crop tool. You can freely crop, pan, transform your images, experimenting until you find the perfect composition. Let's now enhance our photos with the color correction tools. Go to the image menu, then adjustments. Here, you'll find controls for brightness, contrast, levels, and curves. Experiment and see how it transforms your image. Next, we'll master the power of layers. Layers allows to make non-destructive edits. You could easily change each aspect without destroying the original image. To add a layer, click the plus icon in the layers panel. Congratulations, you now have the very basics covered. Photoshop is powerful. Keep practicing and experimenting. #Photoshop tips, #creative workflow.